Hi everybody, Silly Paula back with my friend Meow Meow Kitty. Can you say hi Meow Meow? Meow Meow, hi Meow Meow. Meow Meow wants to know how is everybody doing. Meow Meow. Oh, yeah. Achoo! Oh, Meow Meow Kitty. Oh, you sneezed all over me. Meow Meow Kitty. Don't you know what you're supposed to do when you sneeze? Oh, no, Meow Meow Kitty. That spreads lots and lots of germs. It spreads germs all over, and we don't like germs, do we? Meow Meow, no, Meow Meow Meow. Meow Meow Kitty wants to know what Meow Meow Kitty can do to make everything better. Well, I think let's talk a little bit about what you're supposed to do. When you sneeze, Meow Meow Kitty, I want you to take your hand like this, and I want you to put your nose into your elbow. So when you sneeze, you go, achoo. Can you try that, Meow Meow Kitty? Ah, meow. Very, very good. Meow, meow, meow. Very good, Meow Meow Kitty. Now, did you know that there's something else you can do too? If you have a tissue, Meow Meow Kitty, you will hold it in your hands. And when you sneeze right into the tissue. Meow, meow. Yes. And then you crumple up your tissue and you throw it right into the garbage can. Meow. And that way everybody will stay happy and healthy. See you soon. Meow, meow, bye, meow, meow.